Today we will be checking the Volt INU project to see if it is legit or scam. And probably I don't really know the people that hate my channel, but anyhow, I don't care. I'm going to continue. If you want, hate my channel. If you don't want, don't hate. All I know is that I'm here to make it. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Remember, this is only my personal opinion, not a professional advice. So make sure to subscribe for more videos. Now here we are in the site. Here we can see they are monetizing with the likeness and image of Volt. I don't know if they have any permission to operate with this. It says here, a highly deflationary token on the Ethereum blah blah blah. Now I'm personally skeptical of deflationary tokens because I feel they artificially inflate the price and give investors a misleading perspective on the token and its valuation. And checking the sites, we can't see any coin address, that's their coin address, and there's no team behind the projects. The site is only 3 days old, and their Twitter is also opened just few days ago. So for this coin, I think it's a scam. I could be wrong because it's still a new project and they are still developing. I still advise you make your own research so that you can be sure before investing. And please, if you are coming to comment, don't comment on this video if you don't have anything positive to comment. Thank you. Bye bye, and stay tuned.